Ang dami nagtatanong kung paano mag-franchise ng Pick Up Coffee. So ako naman, na-curious ako and I wanted to answer. So nag-research tayo online and I found out na hindi pala available for franchise ang Pick Up Coffee as of the moment. So wala pa silang offer of any franchise opportunities and all ng mga stores nila ay company owned. So I tried digging videos and went to their official website sa pickupcoffee.com and found na meron na pala silang around 300 stores all over the Philippines. Nagsimula ang Pick Up Coffee noong 2022 sa Uptown Mall, BGC, and since then, renown na talaga nila yung brand nila. So, isa sa mga favorite coffee flavors talaga na nagpasikat sa kanila is Cafe Castilla or the Spanish coffee, and talaga naman dahil dito nag-flourish sila, it is also one of my favorite. And ang current CEO and country president nila is si Francis Flores. So, there is no information on their website kung paano ka maging franchise owner. What you will find instead is yung mga brand partners nila and yung mga collaboration brands nila. One of which yung nasa Facebook page nila ngayon is The Husk, which is ang makikita mo ng face is si Nadine Lustre. I'm thinking collaboration brand nila yon as of the moment. And that meron silang bagong mobile app. So, knowing that, pero interested ka pa rin na maging perhaps partner or maka-business ang Pick Up Coffee if you want kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Currently, they are only in partnership with buildings and real estate properties that has high foot traffic. So, if feeling mo yung building mo or probably yung space sa school na may mga canteens or meron kang concept na gusto mong i-present sa Pick Up Coffee, doon sila open. So, ang gagawin mo, you have to email them sa pickupcoffee.com. You can just go to their Facebook page and their website and mapoprovide na doon kung ano yung email address nila. Actually, it's pickup@pickup-coffee.com. Pero para mas sure ka, pumunta ka na lang sa FB page nila and malalaman mo doon, actually, you can communicate with their team online, which I suppose is their marketing, may sasagot sa'yo sa email, and you can ask how you can submit your documents and letter of intent and your proposal. And sure enough naman, I'm sure na yung email team nila, the one who is currently handling that would be able to give you the next steps. So, pag serious ka at gusto mong maka-brand tie-up sila, for example, meron kang um, product na bagong cookies or bagong bread or maybe meron kang bagong concept na gusto mong i-add sa mga kiosk ng Pick Up Coffee or mga bago na gustong i-present ng brand mo. For example, meron ka rin gustong ipasok na probably, I don't know siguro fresh milk or any other thing na bagay sa concept ng coffee and ng spaces nila, you can send in your proposal sa email and wait for an answer. So, of course, I don't know the nitty-gritty na o yung mga pinakamalalim na aspeto nito because this is the information that I only found on the web. Kasi ang dami talaga nagtatanong. I only posted one video about Pick Up Coffee and naloka ako sa dami ng nagme-message like paano ba mag-franchise niyan? And ako naman concern ko, I know that a lot of OFWs, ang daming mga tao na may hard-earned money talaga na gusto ng seryosong negosyo. So, I took it upon myself para mag-research a little bit and hope that will help you. So, as a reminder, currently, they are not offering any franchise opportunities just yet. Pero the good news is marami namang other brands and coffee brands who are offering franchise opportunities. So, I suggest na mag-observe sa mga malls and restaurants and check for other brands as well na feeling mo masarap din naman yung kape if talagang serious ka na magkaroon ng sarili mong coffee franchise business. So, ang pwede mo lang gawin sa kanila is to become a partner or a brand collab na pwede kang makipartner sa kanila pag may certain ideas ka because certainly there are many opportunities that can be done sa Pick Up Coffee, seeing that they are usually located sa mga areas na may high foot traffic or yung mga areas na maraming tao talaga na dumadaan, and even yung sa kalsada, 'di ba, yung mga sikat na mga streets. So if may concept ka, may certain idea ka, then feel free to send it to the team, and who knows, siguro baka mahanap mo pa directly ang CEO ng Pick Up Coffee and you can present an idea to them. But of course, be sure that you are ready and complete with your documents. So ayun, I hope na this 5-minute video or simple podcast of mine is able to help you at makatulong sana sa'yo. And of course, it is my advice that you still read and connect directly with the Pick Up Coffee people. Wag sa kung sino-sinong tao ka nagre-rely, mas maganda to reach out sa talagang Pick Up Coffee personnel na nagtatrabaho doon so that yung hard-earned or pinaghirapan mong pera is sa tama mo talaga mailagay. So be very careful with the people that you are interacting with, lalong-lalo sa negosyo, and take the time to research. So then again, gusto ko lang tumulong at sumagot doon sa mga nagtatanong. I also used this photo that na by 8 Infinity. So thank you. I would like to credit you for this photo. And so yun, I hope that will help you. So in the coming days, I will also be shifting my content and I will be posting more content on how to help people, kung paano ba nila mauunawaan, kung paano mag-franchise ng various products sa Pilipinas. Mag-shift na tayo this 2025 before the year ends. From celebrities, I'd like to become more situated, or mali yung English ko doon. Mas gusto kong mas mag-focus sa mga business opportunities at mga information na I feel ay makakatulong sa mga tao who really want to grow and invest wisely. Not as an investment guru or anything, no, but for the information also that is out there. And ako rin, natututo rin ako every day. So this is a new information for me. Actually, nung binasa ko to, natuto rin tuloy ako. So yon, maraming salamat and God bless you.